look, interesting ingredients. This is gonna be a little bit different today. Look, best kitchen helper ever. Second best kitchen helper ever. Hi, hello. Let's go check on third. Third best kitchen helper is a watermelon cone head today. She's all right. She just can't lick her paw and I just soaked it. Let's go show you what we're gonna cook some food on today. Welcome back to Snow Dog's Cooking, where if I can cook it, so can you, even though Jamie's gonna cook today. Today we are being sponsored by London Sunshine with this Komodo 13-inch little mini smoker grill. This thing is really cool. What do you think we're making? We showed you chicken, we showed you the other stuff. Jamie wanted to try making chicken wings on this as the first thing we're gonna cook on this. So that's what we're gonna do. So I will put some links for this down in the video description below. We already got it up to temperature. When you get it, you have to like season it. So you have to bring it all the way up to temperature and then let it kind of come back down. So right now we're in the process of letting it come back down. It's got all these little vents. Jamie will explain in a minute here how it works. But we got some charcoal in there. Woo, it's hot. It's got a nice seal on it. I'm gonna prep some chicken wings, and in a little bit here, we're gonna throw them on there and show you guys what they look like. We're gonna take the chicken, we're gonna dry it. Make sure you pat your chicken dry. I didn't show that, but I do pat it dry. You can see here. I'm gonna put it in this bowl, and I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil on it, and then we're gonna kind of stir them around a little bit. You want each piece coated with some olive oil. Alternatively, you could put them on a tray, spray them, flip them, spray them, but I've always used the bowl method, so that's what we're gonna do. Now that we have them all nice and coated, I am gonna go ahead and lay them out on here because I am gonna use a couple of different dry style seasonings. I'm gonna use Nashville Hot and probably lemon pepper. We haven't tried that. And then we'll do a couple of the stinging honey garlic as well. Now, you could always do like an actual buffalo sauce or things like that on these as well. Usually what we do is we'll cook them with a little bit of seasoning, and then if we want to put any type of sauce on them, we'll put that on in the end and then put them on for another 15 minutes to kind of crisp up that sauce. But I like the dry style ones the best. So we're gonna put them on here and coat them up. Okay, so I'm gonna do this half Nashville Hot and this half lemon pepper. That's what we've decided. So basically, I'm just gonna start coating and sprinkling, and then I'll flip them over and do the other side. Season with love. They're gonna be delicious. Just like that. That looks pretty beautiful. Now, we're gonna go make sure that the grill is preheated to the correct temperature. We're gonna get ready to put these on there. All right, Jamie's got it ready. This is all you, sweetheart. This is all you. Well, I prepped the chicken.
You did?
Yeah, but I'll let you do the fun grilling part, because I'm not as good at that.
I mean,
you got it prepped?
Like 375-ish.
375?
I mean,
we want the crispier skin method, so we're going to cook them a little higher heat, and then at the end, kind of get it a little even hotter, and then hopefully it'll make crispy skin, right?
And it will.
Okay.
And it probably won't take that long.
No. It says 30 to 45 minutes, and we do have a meat thermometer, which I'll bring out here as well. But all right, I guess I'll go get the chicken. Ooh, here we go. We're gonna do half and half, so we're gonna do all the Nashville Hot ones first, and then we'll do all the lemon pepper ones. Because this is a little 13-inch grill. Ooh, look at that. Fun stuff. It sounds cool. Sweet, I'm excited.
These are big wings.
They are big wings, yeah. I didn't realize that till after I put them all on the tray and went, well, I guess you're having wings while I'm gone. Okay. Sounds good to me.
Yeah, I think.
Okay. Looks good so far.
Yeah.
Ooh, all right, let's see.
Oops.
Ooh, they're looking pretty good. Okay.
Let's see. This guy in the middle, he's probably hottest.
We do have our little meat thermometer as well, so we can stick the probe in and see what the temperature of the inside of the chicken wings are. Smells good out here. Crispy. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. All right, so we have checked the heat on these. The heat on these actually looks pretty good, the temperature, the internal temperature, and now we want them to crisp up a little bit. So what we're gonna do is Jamie's got this wide open, which is gonna put more heat inside of the unit here and crisp up that skin just a little bit.
Make sure this is wide open too.
Yeah, make everything wide open. Crank that heat up in there, and that should crisp up the skin. It's gonna be delicious. Ooh, these look amazing. These are the Nashville Hot ones. I think we're gonna go ahead and try these while the other ones are on. Okay, that like came right apart and is nice and juicy in the middle.
Ooh, and these are gonna be spicy ones.
Yeah, they're the Nashville Hot ones. They're probably hot, like both temperature-wise and otherwise. Yeah? I know different flavor than when I make them in the oven, right?
Definitely a different flavor than
Yeah?
that. Yeah.
Better?
When you make them in the oven, we do it a little slower, so maybe we'll have to perfect this at a slower.
At a slower, yeah.
at a
We were
little
kind of
slower.
doing the standard grilling this time, not smoked.
Yeah.
So
right.
we could do it slower next
I
time.
think we'll have to try that. But
Yeah.
wow, this is really good.
No chicken wings for you. No chicken wings for you either. You might get a little nibble, but we can't have hot stuff on it. Round 2. Oh my goodness.
I think you're definitely
They
done.
look pretty good. No chicken wings for you, so instead you get Tritos. Maybe we'll have to figure out something to make for you guys on that little cooker. Well, I think that worked out pretty good. This is pretty cute. As I said, I will put some links and stuff down in the video description below if you guys want to get your own. It's really nice. Perfect for 1 or 2 people. Now I have to clean it all up, but literally perfect for 1 or 2 people. Oh, how fun. Look, we did a sponsored video on this channel. It's the first one. That's kind of cool. That is kind of cool. So anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Goodbye, audience. Those chicken wings were really, really, really good. We're definitely going to have to do some more work with this and kind of perfect everything. But for that being a first try, those were perfect.